go up to the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, I like to target the most local fair value gap, right? This is very important. So price eventually did rally all the way up here, but I like to take partials along the way because, of course, as a trader, you want to pay yourself. So the way you do that essentially is by understanding one very, very basic thing, right? You're looking for fair value gaps to trade from, right? And you're looking for fair value gaps to target. So we had this fair value gap here on the 5-minute time frame. So this was my first initial kind of target, right? So if we continue to play price on, we get a very, very rapid move to the upside over here, simply following order flow, fair value gaps, and the power of 3 indicator, right? This is important to understand. Again, if we go back to the ATAS platform, the ATAS platform is giving us the indication to buy, right? Why is the ATAS platform giving us indication to buy, right? So we're understanding the volume in terms of buying and selling, right? We see huge amount of selling volume, but these sellers are not being rewarded. So when sellers don't get rewarded, you're essentially looking to take the opposing end, right? This is the correct way to look at markets. You want to understand who is aggressive and who is passive, right? Sellers are aggressive because they're hitting the bid aggressively. There's more bid participants than ask participants, but none of them are being rewarded. This tells you that buyers are very, very much in control. This tells you that this zone was very, very active. Again, just over here, we saw a fair value gap and price eventually came back into this area. When price came back into this area, we saw again a ton of aggressive sellers at the bottom below the 10 a.m. Eastern. We see 819 for 515. We see a lot of aggressive sellers. We see the volume is situated towards sellers, but none of them are being rewarded, which means at this area, as well as this area, we had passive buyers propping up. And this is the reason why price moves higher in the first place, because of these passive buyers. So now we go back to the overall candlestick chart, right? What we're looking for again is this exact same candle over here, right? This candle over here, similar to this area over here, what we're seeing is we're seeing a ton of sellers trapped in this region. This is below the 10 a.m. Eastern, which is extra confirmation, right? So we could have taken our second long trade over here.